Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So if you want to change the language on your watch, first you will need to open the settings. To do it, press and hold the middle button and keep holding it until the settings open. Once the settings open, tap on the general option, then scroll down and look for the option called language. And once you find it, tap on it of course, and then tap on language right here. And now you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through it, look for the language you would like to use, and once you find the language you want to use, tap on it, and the language will be applied, like this. And of course, once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.